Welcome to Daily Dose Channel, your daily dose of home herbal remedies. In this video, you'll learn how to fight diabetes, high blood pressure, swollen legs, and fatty liver without drinking pills every day. You need only 3 ingredients. First, mango leaves. They contain a rare polyphenol called mangiferin. Clinical studies suggest mangiferin helps lower blood sugar by improving insulin production and reducing glucose absorption in the gut. It also attacks inflammation at the cellular level. Next, garlic peels, the papery skin you usually throw away. That skin contains more antioxidants than the clove itself, specifically quercetin and naringenin. These compounds lower LDL cholesterol and relax blood vessels, which drops your blood pressure naturally. And finally, turmeric. The golden standard for fighting fatty liver. Curcumin in turmeric reduces liver inflammation and helps break down fat deposits. When combined with mango leaves and garlic skins, something special happens. They work synergistically, meaning together, they are stronger than anyone alone. Step-by-step recipe. Step 1. Take 5 fresh or dried mango leaves. If fresh, wash them thoroughly. Then chop them roughly, this releases the mangiferin. Step 2. Take a small handful of garlic peels. That's the skin from about 6 to 8 cloves. Do not wash them too aggressively, a light rinse is enough. You want to keep the natural oils. Step 3. Take a piece of fresh turmeric root about the size of your thumb. Peel it, but keep the peel. Add that peel to the mix too. Then slice the root into thin coins. Step 4. Add 3 cups of water into a pot. Add your chopped mango leaves, garlic peels, and turmeric slices. Step 5. Bring to a boil. Then immediately reduce the heat. Let it simmer, not boil hard, for exactly 9 minutes. More than 9 minutes can make it bitter and destroy some volatile compounds. Step 6. Strain the tea into a glass jar. Drink exactly 1 cup, that's about 8 ounces, in the morning, on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before breakfast. Do not add honey or sugar. Sugar will cancel out the blood sugar benefits. If you have hypertension, drink the second cup in the early afternoon, at least 2 hours after lunch. Do not drink this within 3 hours of bedtime, it can slightly increase metabolism and may disturb sleep for sensitive individuals. Drink this daily for 3 weeks. Then take a 1-week break. This cycling prevents your body from building tolerance. Most people report less bloating in the legs within 5 days, and more stable energy levels after 2 weeks. Let's break down what this tea actually does, based on traditional use and emerging research. Number 1. Diabetes. Mangiferin from mango leaves has been shown in animal studies to reduce blood glucose by up to 25% in some models. It also reduces oxidative stress on the pancreas. Number 2. Hypertension. The quercetin in garlic peels acts as a natural ACE inhibitor, similar to some blood pressure medications, but without the dry cough side effect. Number 3. Inflammation in the legs. This is often caused by poor circulation or fluid retention. The combination of turmeric and mango leaves reduces systemic inflammation, and the mild diuretic effect helps drain excess fluid from lower extremities. Number 4. Fatty liver. Curcumin from turmeric reduces liver enzymes ALT and AST. And mango leaves prevent fat accumulation in liver cells. Together, they address both inflammation and fat storage. Does this mean you should throw away your medications? Absolutely not. Never stop prescribed drugs without medical supervision. But many people find that after a month on this tea, their doctor reduces their dosages. Show your doctor this recipe. Warnings and contraindications. This tea is powerful, which means it is not for everyone. First, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, do not drink this. Mango leaves can stimulate uterine contractions. Second, if you are on blood thinners like warfarin, avoid this. Garlic peels and turmeric have natural blood thinning effects. Third, if you have gallstones or bile duct obstruction, skip the turmeric, it can cause painful contractions of the gallbladder. Fourth, start with half a cup on your first day. Some people experience mild detox symptoms, headache, or loose stools. This usually passes in 48 hours. If not, stop. Also, drink at least 8 glasses of plain water throughout the day. This tea flushes toxins, and you need hydration to support your kidneys. Nature provides the medicine. But only if you know where to look. Those garlic peels and mango leaves aren't garbage, they're a pharmacy waiting to be brewed. Try this for 21 days. Keep a journal of your energy, your blood pressure readings, and how your legs feel in the evening. You will be surprised. Note that the above recipe is for 1 day only. If you wish to produce a higher quantity for more days, you need to multiply the recipe by the number of days of consumption, preferably not more than 1 week. After 1 week, you can produce another batch for another 1 week until the first 3 weeks. If you found this useful, share it with someone who is tired of taking 5 different pills every morning. And subscribe for more forgotten remedies that actually work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.